In this video, I'm going to share with you how to assemble your A-team when forming your hedge fund. Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here today, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. There are several attorneys, administrators, and auditors that want to work with hedge funds and help start them up. The cost of bringing on these important players who will be part of your A-team. Now let's put together your hedge fund's A-team, the attorney. The function of a respectable, competent hedge fund attorney will be to draft or review your hedge fund's offering documents. There is a tremendous amount of time and effort that goes into making sure that the offering documents meet the current federal, state, and foreign regulations. Another thing to consider when screening out a hedge fund attorney is the size of his or her firm. Major Wall Street firms can charge anywhere upwards to $75,000 and up. It's usually all that's in the name. Hiring an experienced hedge fund consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your hedge fund. A good consultant will draft your offering documents and provide the appropriate introductions to fund administrators, auditors, and attorneys that will review your documents and help your fund grow. The administrator. A hedge fund administrator serves as an independent third party that protects the interests of investors. The primary function of a third party administrator is to independently calculate the net asset value of the fund, or NAV. Here are 3 areas of services which the administrator will provide to your hedge fund. Number 1, monthly services. As I said before, the fund administrator's primary job is to calculate the net asset value of the fund, including accruals, operating expenses, incentive fees, commissions, and other fees. The industry calls it striking the NAV. They also prepare and maintain such financial records like accounting books and records as necessary, and to support any annual independent audit of the fund. And number 2, back office services. An important part of the function of an administrator is to maintain a database of all transactions, open and closed positions, the portfolios, and the accounts and the fund information. And then number 3, investor relations. The fund's administrator also is responsible for maintaining a register of shareholder information and transactions, and review all the processes and subscription documents and any requests for redemptions and transfers, as well as providing background checks on your investor. The auditor. Auditors also come in all shapes and sizes. However, don't be misled to believe that all auditors are capable of auditing a hedge fund. When evaluating an auditor, consider if the firm specializes in auditing hedge funds and other types of investment vehicles. The primary purpose of the fund auditor is to prepare an annual audit of the fund. Your fund administrator will work closely with the auditor to ensure that all invoices, payments, and credits of the brokerage firm statements are in its place and have been properly consolidated. Fund administrators and auditors will prepare financial statements in accordance to GAAP, the U.S. General Acceptance Accounting Principles, or the IFRS, which is the International Financial Reporting Standard. I'm not a CPA or a lawyer. You'll check this out with your accountant. If you're thinking about starting a hedge fund, I recommend my book, The Ultimate Hedge Fund Guide. Click on the link below in the description box. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.